Dogecoin used to be the best performing crypto inside the main 10 and the third best performing inside the 100 behind FTM and Connection. Our Dogecoin value expectation 2023 to 2032 is getting down to business wonderfully, and that is something to be thankful for. We want a greater amount of these cost spikes, not only for Doge. How much is Doge worth? The present Dogecoin cost is 7 cents, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $221,941,915. Dogecoin is up by 0.95% as of now. The ongoing coin market cap positioning is number 8, with a live market cap of $10,088,274,070. It has a coursing supply of 139,359,816,383.71 Dogecoins, and the maximum supply isn't benefited market. Once more, the new Dogecoin news. The chief of Dogecoin, Elon Musk, has sent the digital money taking off with a solitary tweet. After Musk changed his Twitter bio to Dogecoin president, the cost of Dogecoin bounced by almost 200%. The tweet read, "Dogecoin is individual's crypto," and incorporated a photograph of a rocket taking off with the subtitle "To the Moon." This isn't whenever Musk first has tweeted about Dogecoin, as he has recently alluded to it as the future cash of Earth and a hustle in different tweets. Notwithstanding the analysis and distrust around Dogecoin, it keeps on having areas of strength for an impact in the cryptographic money market. Dogecoin cost examination. Doge rallies to 7 cents as bulls assume responsibility. Dogecoin cost investigation shows a bullish pattern. Doge cost is confronting opposition at 7 cents. Support for Doge cost is available at 7 cents. The most recent Dogecoin cost examination from the beyond 24 hours has been empowering as bulls have assumed command over the market. The Doge cost is at present exchanging at 7 cents, up almost 0.95% as of now. The coin's new meeting saw it get through a help level of 7 cents before in the end energizing up to 7 cents, another the entire day high for the coin. In any case, the Doge cost is presently confronting opposition at this level and could encounter some disadvantage strain in the close to term, assuming it neglects to get through. Yet again by the by, its ongoing energy recommends that further potential gain potential is as yet conceivable should purchasers assume command over the market. Doge divided by $1 day cost diagram. Bulls keep on pushing the market higher. The one-day Dogecoin cost investigation affirms a bullish pattern for cryptographic money, as the Doge USD esteem has expanded fundamentally. An impressive level of expansion in coin esteem is being recognized because of arising bullish endeavors. The market saw some dunk in esteem at the 7 cents mark. However, that has been switched as purchasers have assumed command over the market and pushed costs up to another the entire day high. The day-to-day specialized pointers for Doge USD likewise propose that a further convention is conceivable in the close to term. The general strength file has reached overbought levels of 37.53, recommending that the coin's ongoing cost might confront some disadvantage tension before purchasers can take control once more. Likewise, the moving typical intermingling difference pointer is additionally broadening its bullish example as the MACD line is exchanging over the sine line. The 20 MA has additionally gotten over the 50 MA, showing that further potential gain could be anticipated soon. The critical levels to watch are 87 cents and 11 cents, since these are significant protections that should be outperformed assuming more gains are not out of the ordinary. If these levels are penetrated, we could see more financial backers engaging on the lookout and driving the cost up toward 9 cents and conceivably closer to 10 cents assuming Dogecoin proceeds with its strong upturn development. How high could the costs at any point go? Dogecoin value expectation 2023. Our Dogecoin cost expectation for 2023 is Dogecoin to forge ahead with bullish energy. The cryptographic money is supposed to exchange at a most extreme worth of 12 cents and a normal gauge cost of 10 cents. Dogecoin could encounter its most reduced conceivable exchanging cost at 9 cents too. Dogecoin value expectation 2024. Dogecoin cost forecast for 2024 proposes Doge could achieve a most extreme worth of 17 cents and a typical estimate cost of 15 cents. The digital currency is supposed to exchange at its least conceivable cost of 14 cents in this period. Dogecoin value expectation 2025. As per our Dogecoin cost expectation for 2025, the cryptographic money could accomplish a greatest worth of 26 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 22 cents. Dogecoin is supposed to exchange at 21 cents as the base cost. Dogecoin value expectation 2026. The Dogecoin cost estimate for 2026 is a greatest value focus of 37 cents and a base cost of 31 cents. The typical gauge cost expectation for this period is assessed to be around 32 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2027. The Dogecoin cost estimate for 2027 recommends a greatest worth of 53 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 43 cents. The base worth of Dogecoin is supposed to be 42 cents in the year 2027. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2028. Our Dogecoin cost figure for 2028 recommends the cryptographic money is assessed to accomplish a greatest value focus of 73 cents and a typical estimate value forecast of 63 cents in 2028. The exchanging cost could go as low as 61 cents. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2029. Dogecoin Doge cost forecast for 2029 is Doge to achieve a greatest cost of $1.05 and a typical exchanging cost of 88 cents. The base gauge exchanging cost is assessed to be 85 cents in 2029. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2030. For the year 2030, Dogecoin Doge cost expectation expects the cost of the image coin to arrive at a greatest worth of $1.47 and a typical anticipated exchanging cost of $1.24. The most reduced conceivable exchanging cost is assessed to be $1.20 during this period. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2031. The forecast for the Dogecoin Doge in 2031 recommends a most extreme exchanging worth of $2.05 and a typical estimate cost of $1.73. The cryptographic money is supposed to exchange at its most minimal conceivable worth of $1.68 in the year 2031. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2032. The Dogecoin cost expectation for 2032 recommends a greatest exchanging worth of $2.87 and a typical gauge cost of $2.47. The image coin is likewise expected to accomplish its base conceivable exchanging worth of $2.40 in 2032. A half year prior, there was at that point a ton of hypothesis about the future cost of Dogecoin as market specialists are bullish about the possibilities of this coin. Some market specialists are in any event anticipating that Doge could reach $1 toward the finish of 2025. For example, Matt Wallace, a YouTuber with over 244K endorsers on his channel Last Stand, says that Dogecoin will be epic at $100 by 2025. Specialists are sure about Dogecoin for various reasons. Notwithstanding the way that the humor coin presents specific difficulties, the market for computerized installments holds a lot of undiscovered possibility. As an outcome of this, digital currencies that make it conceivable to cause micropayments to have a promising future. Along these lines, quite possibly Dogecoin might keep on acquiring notoriety well for a significant length of time. Because of the exactness of its gauges and the size of its worldwide local area, keeping Dogecoin for a more extended time frame may end up being a worthwhile speculation. It is conceivable that later on, there will be a significant expansion in esteem in the event that individuals liable for creating it give it a viable utilization of some kind or another. Notwithstanding, before making an interest in this cryptographic money, you ought to initially go with sure that your choice is thoroughly examined by thinking about various components, like central examination, specialized investigation, and other market factors. What might Dogecoin at any point be utilized for? Dogecoin has been utilized fundamentally as a tipping framework on Reddit and Twitter to compensate making or sharing quality substance. You can get